California Attorney General Rob Bonta says the flurry of executive orders from the Trump administration are making many people uncertain of their rights and protections.
We've had many reports of anecdotal situations in which parents aren't going to work and students aren't going to school. So we haven't been able to identify exactly what that looks like statistically, but we know that it is prevalent and that it's happening.
Bonta says California schools will continue to be a, quote, safe place for all.
All students have the right to an education, regardless of their immigration status or the immigration status of anyone in their family.
He says families have a right to keep their children's personal and education records confidential.
Families should know that they don't have to share passports, visas, or a social security number, or even citizenship information to enroll their child in school.
Bonta says school officials cannot prevent federal immigration authorities from being in public places, including school parking lots and lobbies. But
first, if ICE shows up, the school should alert their local educational agency administrator and legal counsel immediately. They should ask to see the officer's credentials and any documentation that would authorize school access. And they should document everything that happens during the exchange.
This week, the San Diego Unified School District published a statement on the guidance it's given to staff. It reads in part, quote, "School staff won't give access to U.S. immigration and customs enforcement officials without a judicial warrant." The California Department of Justice has a Know Your Immigration Rights Consumer Alert Guide and a guide for students and families on their website, oag.ca.gov. Bonta says anyone who witnesses concerning immigration-related activity should email his office at immigration@doj.ca.gov. Melissa Mae, KPBS News.